Well guys, start of 2023, this is our first job. This is a massive stump. We're over 6 feet wide, without question, by the time you get to the crown down here, trying to grind it. Yeah, let's do it. First thing we need to do is figure out how we're going to secure our shield. Seems like there's a lot of wind. Find a couple of these rocks. Do something like that. Take another one. Oh, has to be a windy day, huh? Just has to be windy. These things actually Velcro right on the back here. That's what I'm doing here. Pretty handy. Maybe that's what we need to do. You want to go back there? Just go back there. Do something like that. First things first, I think we got to get this rock out of here. This just looks like it's going to be trouble. Or I made So what we have here is a full-blown rock, probably limestone, which is the same color as wood, inside the tree. So that's a big suck. We started hitting a rock, saw the smoke coming up because we were making, dust powder. We also were making good chips, so our sharpening the teeth was going good. Well, we hit the rock, and now we have dust. So that was about all the life left of the teeth that we sharpened. I don't encounter rocks too often inside stumps. I just don't. They're just not super prevalent in my area. They happen, sure. I've hit a couple that were, like near kind of grown in. This is a full-blown half boulder inside a mammoth stump. That's a little different. That's taking things to a different level. Don't know how I'm going to address that quite yet. I think I'm going to try to grind all around the rock and then hit it with a bucket. I don't know, but I don't want to blast through it with my teeth. Still got one more stump that we got to do, and it's not huge, but we don't have much life left in the teeth. Always something, right? So, well, I guess dig this out a little bit and start grinding around it, and I don't know, let's see what happens. Working my way around, keep finding rocks. Big old chunks. Still got a root there. The border's over there. Yeah, just keep working at it. Well, push the dirt around 6 different ways. We're pretty deep here. Right here, that's a rock. It just can't beat the equipment up anymore. Other than that, I mean, we're down deep. So I'm gonna push the wood chips back in the pile, keep it for the customer. Just wanted to show you kind of the progress of this guy. Basically done. Can't go any farther on this stuff. In between, I mean, we're 6-8 inches grade, some soil, except for where the rocks are. We gotta jump over to the other stump and get to getting.
You know what? First job of the year, already having audio video issues, and that's about where my microphone said thanks, but no thanks. Hey, part of this job was also bidding a retaining wall removal. So we got a bid in for it, but right now the client just wanted to tackle the stumps and bite off a little bit of the project at a time. So probably be back taking care of, the stump grindings and all that. If she chooses to move forward with, removal, debris removal, and, excavation, pushing a new lawn, cover up the, stump holes, that kind of stuff. But hey, we're just getting rolling on 2023. We're gonna have some other, pretty big projects lined up. Hope you enjoyed it so far. And remember, if I can do it, you can do it too. Hey, cheers from the Bulldog. Thanks, guys.